Yeah, Chestnut, round, last one. Chestnut, it's going to be a good day. All the boys are out here. Black Sheep got the vlog coming out. It's going to be a good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for an incredible night. Oh, we're taking it up a notch. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Wes and Mike TZ coming all strong, straight into the end zone. Hey, be sure you stick around because we're only getting warmed up.
I kept the faith, keeping the faith. I know you got it. Yeah, out of my way, give me some space, just let me around me. Yeah, put in the work, don't say your word till they announce it. Hey, determined to get it, I'm focused and driven. What you know about it?
Wait a minute. Who are you, Ozone? I don't know who that is. He's not supposed to be here. You are supposed to be here. That ogre is not a fuck supposed to be here. That oak's a visitor from overseas, so I'm sure that's fine. Those oaks, oh, Papi. That oak is also okay, but this oak, not a fuck. Dalton's twin.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family, so they pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. Getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank, they see the number. All of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset that they show some respect.
Did you break it?
Broken, look, wrinkle. Ah, there we go.
You see, I fixed it for you.
Magic touch. Ladies.
Magic touch.
I can't even think about it. I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. Whenever see the one, I keep my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up. And go ka-ching and nana manapia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stand the feet up. Then put it back into the beat, cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
Moto 2 now for the Moto vlog. Hopefully we can bring back a championship for the boys.
Yes,
for the vlog, you know.
Yo, a championship for the vlog.
Yeah.
Imagine championship for the vlog.
Wait,
we
gotta get one of us holding hands.
Bring up the hand closer to your faces. Oh.
No.
So tell us, how's the relationship there?
Good.
I was very disappointed the first race I was here.
Wait, I'm too close.
There we go. First race I was here, he ate it extremely hard.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit of a problem.
Get up and rest this, okay, just for being like...
No, I need to go arrested like a couple times, you know. He is witness.
Wait a minute. What happened? Tell us the story.
I stole a slip-through and went from Harry on the CCTV footage.
What else did you do in Harry Smith? I heard some things.
Oh, no, that's not true.
Fat boy Deegan?
Dude, this spectator life, I love it. Been eating cookies the whole day.
Oh, those Garrick's cookies.
Man.
Bruh, they are too good, eh?
Garrick, dude, I'll marry you for these things, bud. Dude. Here's the plan for now.
What are we listening to here? Are you gonna play us a song?
Drop that shit. Take it. Shakedown.
Bobby, what happened there, bro?
I decided halfway through I wanted to start riding motards.
Yeah, I think that's better, eh?
Yeah.
Motards work well, eh?
So at least next year I can run this in the motard series.
No, you just use it straight, eh? But I mean, that thing still looks fresh for the national.
Yeah, 100%.
Thrill?
Yeah.
Champion.
Double champs, yeah? Double champs.
Yeah, double champs, eh?
Wait, what's this one? 4.
Wow, for the curve.
was a good race today. It was lekker racing, good, clean fun. Awesome day for Rani and for everybody else. And the Yamaha team, by the way, well done to the Yamaha boys.
Oh, thanks a lot, man, eh? Yes, yeah. So sign us out for MotoX vlog, Rhino.
Peace out. 8 times. 1 time.
Drop that shit.